Last chapter, there are also not many such physical quantities which are having units and dimensions in this chapter. There are very few, starting with energy gap. Energy gap is the gap between conduction band and valence band. Suppose this is the conduction band, this is called valence band, this is VB, this is conduction band. Okay, so there is a gap between these two. Okay, see, this gap is called energy gap. So the energy gap is given by the formula Eg is equal to Hc by lambda. As it is energy, the unit of energy is joule, taken also in terms of million electron volt. Its dimensional formula is m1L2 T minus 2. If this energy gap is 0, okay, that is valence band and conduction band are overlapped. If energy gap is 0, you can say if they are overlapped, then it is a metal. In case of metals, there are overlapped conduction and valence band. If energy gap is greater than 3 electron volt, then it will be a insulator. So for an insulator, energy gap is always greater than 3 electron volt, and if it is in between 0 to 3, then it is a kind of semiconductor. Okay, so this was all about energy gap. Let's see next. Number density of charge carriers. Number density of charge carriers. Let's see intrinsic or extrinsic, both will have same unit and dimensions. So number density of intrinsic charge carriers will be n is equal to, it is number per unit volume. Number has no unit, volume has a unit of meter cube, so therefore number density has a unit of m raised to minus 3. Its dimensional formula will be L minus 3. Breakdown voltage. And also we'll see cut-in voltage. Cut-in voltage, both have same unit and dimensions. Let's see first what is cut-in and what is breakdown voltage. Imagine, suppose this is a P type of semiconductor and this is N type of semiconductor. When P is connected with positive, N is connected with negative, at that time, for very less value of voltage, the current will start flowing again. For a very little value of current, little value of voltage, the current will start flowing. That little value of voltage is called cut-in voltage. Now if we reverse these things, that is, this is N and this is P, that is P is connected with negative and connected with positive, so it will take a very high voltage to clear this barrier. So that voltage, the voltage for which current starts flowing in reverse bias condition, is called breakdown voltage. Here the voltage will be this value. See, this is the graph of I versus V. So this is the voltage we have taken for forward bias condition, this is we have taken for reverse bias condition. The voltage for which current starts flowing in case of reverse bias condition is called breakdown voltage. Okay, so as it is just a voltage, the unit of voltage is volt. We can also say it is joule per coulomb. Joule means Newton meter per coulomb. Coulomb means ampere second. So its dimensional formula will be Newton means m1 L1 T minus 2, meter means L1, ampere means A1, second means T1. We get m1 L2 T minus 2 A minus 1. So this will be the unit of, dimensional formula of breakdown or cut-in voltage. Sorry, this will be T minus 3 and not T minus 2. This will be T minus 3. Okay, so this will be the dimensional formula of breakdown or cut-in voltage. So this was all about all the significant unit and dimensional formulas of chapter number 14, which have some units and dimensions. So that's all. Keep watching and all the best for your exams. Bye bye.